Good morning guys! Welcome back to another day dito sa ating trip. Welcome back to another vlog. Okay guys, papunta tayo ng breakfast and then yung bata maliligo. Kasi nag-promise kami kahapon na maliligo sa swimming pool. Pero yung temperature ngayon guys, 16. So yun lang, kaya ng bata yan. No? Good morning! You say good morning!
Good morning.
Yun siya na medyo iba yung boses natin today. Unwal. Nung the other day. May mga sakit na tayo talaga. Colin! Okay, breakfast guys. Sige! Just like we promised. Was-wasi dyan hasta magkudog ka. Do you wanna go inside? Ready? 1, 2 run! Hindi kayang lamig guys. 17 degrees at ang mga sobrang lamig. Run! Hala! See? Hindi lamig? It's so cold. Oh, enough na? Nan, gilamigan.
Wala pa man ka na gani nag-enjoy. Go pa, one
Papa
more
is cold
pa.
na.
No. Go pa,
cold
run
na.
pa, run. Wow.
Oh, want to do that? Let's go, let's go. Wala na, lamigan na. Ma'am, lamigan na ma'am. Let's go na. Let's go, enough na.
So cold.
Yeah, it's so cold na. Oh,
Tanggalan na lang yung tanggalan.
yeah, it's so cold, mami. It's so cold. Pinakamabilis niya na nag-play sa mga water features. Siya na mismo ang nagsabi na enough na. Okay, our last activity before checking out. Meet and greet kay SpongeBob. Yung problema is hindi kilala ni Papa si SpongeBob. Overstimulating daw kasi si SpongeBob kaya hindi pinapanood, ha?
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
overstimulating.
Would you like to give high fives? Yeah. Oh, great. Jumping. I like jumping. Here. Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Wow! Good job. Okay. Do you hold SpongeBob's hand and say cheese? Cheese. Good job. Woohoo! Oh, that's Sam. Oh, bye.
Thank
Good job.
you.
Thank you. What's his name? Nothing. Wala
Grabe talaga ang picture ko.
Okay, open na ang theme park. Let's go. Actually guys, exit na kami dito. Mag-check out na kami. Pero pwede pa rin kami magkaroon ng full day access dito sa theme park. Grabe ka sulit. Ang sulit. So for 3 days na full access dito sa may SeaWorld
3 days after.
for 499 with room, with breakfast. Very, very sulit. Very sulit.
And drink.
Kahit na mag-spend ka pa ng whole day dito, kahit naka-check out ka na sa resort, pwede pa.
Hello, hello.
Oh. Wow! Look at that!
Hindi pwede
See?
magkaka. Love, do not allow the children to sit on the
Oo.
diri on.
Para mga stingray na oh.
Ganun hulog sila.
Paharon. Wow. And how about here? Oh, wow!
Fish!
There's a lot of sharks here. And a stingray.
The fish, Dad?
Yeah, and shark. Look.
And there's so many fish.
Yes. Wow, look at that. Oh. Wow.
Mom, it's Dory, Mom! Hello!
Ay, kung pwede pa lang na mag-spend pa tayo ng isang araw dito. Pero we need to go for the next adventure. Actually, papunta kami dun sa pinunta namin last night. Kasi si Mami, naiwan niya yung shades niya. Eh, yung shades niya is limited edition. Kailangan namin balikan. Buti na lang tumawag kami dun sa restaurant. And then sabi nila, yes, it is here. In the lost and found. So babalikan namin yung guys, limited edition yun.
Dili na lang
Okay
kami
guys,
sa
huling
gawas.
hirit bago umuwi guys. Try natin tong fastest roller coaster nila dito. Kasi wala pang mga bisita. Siguro magkaroon tayo ng chance kung wala pang pila. Then
Mag-wait ka na outside.
mag-wait na lang mo sa outside.
Yeah.
Sige. Colin, you go with mommy. Good luck sa akin guys.
Papa,
Let's
go.
wait, let's wait.
Go and see that outside.
Okay, good luck sa akin. Videoan mo ko ah. Okay.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Eh, pwede lagi ka mo diri.
Oh my
Kasi-
gosh! Kaya mo? Agay! Ikaw mo kung Ate siya nag-wave! Oh, fun! So fun!
Yeah, I did.
Was it fun? Was it fun?
Worst feeling. Gusto ko i-advise sa'yo ba mag-try ka. Pero, I think, grabe, uy, makaliko. Oo, nabawasan nga yung buhok ko. Yun ang feeling itong
Banjita?
Banjita. Like, you are falling na walay nag-hold sa iyo.
Oo.
That's the feeling. Tapos grabe ang pressure. Mawala mo ang stabilization sa mata mo. Grabe ka shaky.
Diba mga tao?
Sakto ginang ginambal kung masira ang adlaw mo. Kasi ulo ko na. Grabe. But anyway, it was fun. It was fun. At least na-conquer natin yung fear natin. Mga how many days natin na-attempt. Nagawa natin. And yeah. Iba yung feeling. Kakaiba yung feeling. Sayang guys, hindi kayo nadala kasi bawal yung camera. But iba yung feeling. Dito na park yung free fall. Ibang feeling. Siguro kung nadala ko man yung camera, I think wala pa rin akong chance mag-video. Kasi yung gagawin mo lang is humawak ng mabuti. That's it. Labas na kami, exit na kami. It was a memorable experience dito sa May SeaWorld. See you next time. See you Brisbane. Kita kids. Bye. Binalikan namin yung na-missing na shades ni Mrs. Oh my God!
May nakabutang yung baspect sa Everso.
Oh my God! Limited edition kasi na shades yan guys. Kaya kailangan talaga balikan.
Merong limited edition.
Limited edition. So magla-lunch muna kami guys. Kung makatulog man ang bata sa train, yun na yung nap time niya. And then, pagdating namin doon sa Brisbane, patuloy na kagad yung aming adventure. What?
Grabe namin. Ma-remember ko sila Ninja.
Oh, that's good.
So yeah.
I give it to Daddy. Mom, I give it to Daddy. Here we go, Dad.
Oh, thank you for offering. Let me try. It's yummy. But anyway, gusto kong mag-comment about sa transportation namin. Far, ang rating ko sa transportation dito is very good. Very cheap and reliable naman. Like for example, kung kumuha kami ng rent a car, siguro in 5 days na rent a car, spend pa kami ng extra
500 plus.
500 plus for rental,
Petrol.
plus petrol, plus insurance.
Tapos magdala pa og ka ng car seat.
Yes, kailangan pa ng car seat para sa bata. But since dumating kami dito at up to today, siguro yung mga nagastos namin sa fare is around $50. Tatlo na kami. There you go. It's a nice room. I love it. I love it, Mom. Okay guys, we're going out for a walk. Punta tayo doon sa may Brisbane sign, magpapacheck attendance lang. And then tignan natin mamaya kung ano ang pwede natin gawin. It's almost 4 PM na, so medyo late yung pagdating natin. Pero kung ano lang yung matapos natin today, that's it lang. Thank you. Okay, so nandito tayo sa Brisbane sign. Pa-picture lang tayo guys. Yan, picture lang tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Brisbane!
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, may picture na sa Brisbane. Thank you, T. Salamat, T. Hindi kasi tayo makapasok dito guys kasi sira yung grass. Parang nagre-regrass ata sila. So, under development. So, hindi tayo makapasok dyan for a closer picture. But anyway, yeah, maganda nga. Maganda nga siya. Yeah. Oh, grabe. Sobrang tamis ng kiss dito sa Brisbane. Kita man, mami eh. Kita man eh. Sobrang tamis ng kiss dito sa Brisbane, guys. Iba yung kiss dito at sa ibang lugar. How about we try the wheel of Brisbane? Wow, ang ganda view. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Golden hour.
No, not golden hour. That's magic.
Okay, how about we're gonna ride there, Mom? Oh, it's so high.
Please have 2 adult tickets, please. We have a 3-year-old.
I'm scared. Wow!
This is the Goodwill Bridge, which was opened on
Oh, so pretty, Mommy here. Oh,
Helicopter!
where's the helicopter?
technology on the north side.
Over there!
Ay, dira ang ano, ang free na swimming pool.
The mud banks here at South Bank.
Yeah. We're going up and up and up. Beautiful.
Wow!
Wow. It's not scary. Thank you. Wow, may picture pa sila, oh.
Kung hindi mo kuha na pa, oh. Asos gabi ka na, isang smile sa
Grabe, no? Okay, let's go on the other side of the bridge. Yes, yes, you can make it. There you go. Abo. Thank you for helping me. Let's go. Abo.
Moon!
Oh.
Alam! That's Bundan!
Ignorante masyado tayo, no? Kasi wala naman tayo building sa ating lugar. Pabalik na tayo dun sa hotel, guys. Medyo pagod. At may mga sakit kami. So, kailangan natin magpahinga na. Tama na yung tour.
Yeah. Yeah!
Hanap tayo ng sabaw, guys, na masarap sa sa lalamunan. Kasi may mga sakit. Ano yung ubo? Oh, si may ubo. Try natin ito, oh. Parang shabu-shabu. So, you create your own ingredients. Choose your own ingredients pala. Think it's enough?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
This is a say.
Wow, looks good. Yeah, it looks yummy. Okay, let's eat. Looks really good. Sarap sa sabaw. Like it, Pauline?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
And mommy.
You like it, Mommy? Yeah. That's good.
That's different.
Alright guys, nakauwi na kami. So, medyo maaga yung uwi natin kasi medyo masama yung pakiramdam and malamig sa labas. I hope nagustuhan ninyo yung ating vlog. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama at thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.